Okay guys, we're on our route map and we're on this part here, the determinant of 3x3s. Before we get to these questions, we ought to have a little intro. So let's have a look at that then for the determinant of 3x3s. Basically, here's an example here. All you have to do is run along any row or column, and basically like so, and you multiply each element along, let's say, the first row with their respective minors. And combine with the sign according to this rule. Here's the rule for the signs: plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So you'll see if you go along the top row, there's these three entries here. So you associate with these elements the plus, minus, plus. And if you were to go down this column, for example, then you would take these three and you'd associate with these numbers, or combine with these numbers, plus, minus, plus again. Yeah, you can go along any row or column. And you multiply each of these elements then, in conjunction with these signs that are combined with the numbers. You multiply each element with their respective minors. Now the minor for 1 is obtained by just putting your hand, a ruler, over here and here, and crossing out the row and column containing the 1. And then you end up with a 2x2 matrix there, see it? And then if you think about this element here, the 4, cross out the row and column containing the 4, and you'll see there's a 2x2 matrix left. So 2, 1, 4, minus 2 are the elements of the associated minor to that element. So the minor is just the 2x2 matrix that's obtained by crossing out the row and column containing the element in question. Okay then, so for example, let me just illustrate it here then. I've done a bit of it. So if we run along the top row then, right, plus 1. So plus 1, cross out the row and column containing the 1, and it leaves these 4. 3, 1, 6, minus 2, and we put in here, and it's the determinant of that minor. Okay, and then we run along the row, so it's minus the minus 4. Combine these two things together and you get plus 4. And then cross out the row and column containing the 4, and you're left with these 4 elements: 2, 1, 4, minus 2, and we put it in here, and we work out the determinant of this 2x2, this associated minor. The last part of the jigsaw, plus and the minuses are minus 7. Cross out the row and column containing the 7, and we end up with 2, 3, 4, 6, which we put in here. And now it's just a calculation. So we need to calculate this. These are just 2x2 determinants, which we did previously. So it's 1 times this product is minus 6, leading diagonal product, minus 6, take 6, minus 12. And this product is minus 4. Take away the trailing is 4, and this works out at 12, take away 12. Alright, so here I've written it all down here. Minus 6 take 6 is here, times 1, and then minus 4 take 4 is here, which works out at minus 8 times 4, and then this one will be 12 take 12 onto here. Okay then, so we got minus 12 times 1 is minus 12, minus 8 times 4 is minus 32, because it's a plus times a minus, and then you've got 0 times minus 7 is 0, so you got minus 0. So add them all up then. Minus 12 minus 32 is minus 44. Now that was the determinant of the 3x3 matrix here, had we run along the first row. Let's just run along the first column and see what we get that way. I'll do it a bit quicker this time. So it's the 1 plus 1, yeah? Now the 2x2, cross out the row and column containing the 1, and we're left with these 3, 1, 6, 2, which is minus 6 take 6, which we put there. That's the determinant of the 2x2 there. Minus the 2, and then row and column, we're left with minus 4 times these 4. The leading diagonal is 8. Take away minus 56. 7 6 is a 42. So it's 8 plus 42, put in there. And then it's plus 4 times, and then the row and column, we're left with minus 4, take away minus 21, which is plus 21, times to 4. So what do we get? We get minus 12 times 1 is minus 12, 50 times minus 2 is minus 100, 17 times 4 is 68, 68 take 12 is 56, 56 take 100, we end up again with minus 44. So exactly the same. So as I said initially, it doesn't matter which row or column. You could go down here, or across here, or down here, or along the bottom. As long as you combine it with these signs and multiply each respective element by its associated, the determinant of its associated minor, then it's going to work out the determinant as the same value for you. Okay then, so that's 3 by 3 determinants then, and there's a few examples to do. Catch you in the next section. I'll catch you in the next intro. Cheers!